Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all fine at your home. You are from grade 4. Yes? So I am your English teacher. Today we are going to learn lesson 5. Okay? The topic is the worthy successor. THE the WORTHY worthy SUCCESSOR the worthy successor. Okay? We are going to learn about the priest. Okay? In this lesson. High up in the hills, in Assam, okay children, in Assam state there is a hills. Okay, it was very high, obviously hills means it is look very high, isn't it? So there is a temple. Okay, there was a temple and it is very famous temple. So everybody they will come and pray to God there in the hills of Assam. Okay, so there was one priest. Okay, in that temple there was a priest and he was very greatly respected. Why? He is very humble, and he is very kind, and also he is very truthful, honesty man. Okay, so he is respected by all the people, greatly respected by all the peoples who are all coming there in the Assam. Okay, which state children? Assam. There is a hill, there was a famous temple there. Okay children, see that temple how it is, isn't it? There was standing the priest, isn't it? In this picture, PRIESTS, priest. Okay, so he is called what? Priest. Okay, this particular priest only, he is taking all the care about the temple. Okay children, he only taking all the care of this temple, and he will cleaning everything, he will take care. Okay, so after some years he grew older, he became old man, isn't it? Obviously he became very old. So the priest started looking out for a successor. That means what? He need one more person. That means what? He want to replace him there on through the other person. So he need the other person to be there, and who could take charge of the temple. So after him, he became very old, isn't it? So if he dies, if he in case if he dies, after him he have to give the charge to the other person, isn't it? Like him, the other person should take care of this temple very well, isn't it? So he was looking over the person who will come and take over this temple charge. Okay, see, he is searching for the people, and it should be very suitable person also, isn't it? But we cannot admit the person who is not eligible, or not, he don't have any quality to be there in the temple, isn't it? He should be very eligible person, and it is he should be suitable person, isn't it? So it is a very suitable position also, and he was searching the person to be there. He want that means simply nothing but he want the right person to be there in that temple, isn't it? So he was searching, and he was sitting and thinking that when will my search for the most suitable successor be over, when I can find the person, right person. Already the priest became very old, isn't it? So the day came. One day what happened, the old priest lay on his deathbed. That means what? He is going to die, isn't it? So before going to die, he called the man. That means what? Who is taking care of that temple. Okay, that means what? He is helper to that priest. Okay, so he is calling that man, particular man, Gopan. He is what? The sitting man you are seeing in this picture, no children? Yes, the priest is lying on the deathbed, and the other person who is sitting there, he is called what? Gopan. Okay, so he is saying, priest is saying that after my death, you have to select a correct person. You have to select the correct person, that he should have the humanity. That means what? He should be very kind, humble enough to take care of this temple. So you should choose the correct person to be the priest for this temple. He is asking to promise. So after saying this words, okay, he is saying all the words what he like to do. So he is lying on the deathbed, isn't it? It is the last minute of the priest, isn't it? Yes. So after saying this, the holy man, that means what? The priest died. Okay, he breathed his last. That means what? He died. Okay, so after saying all those words to the caretaker Gopan, he died. Who died? Yes, the priest died. So he was telling all the things what should happen in the future. We should not appoint the not the wrong person. You should appoint the correct person. You have to choose the correct person to take care of this temple. So whatever he likes, he said everything to the Gopan, the last minute of the speech. So after telling that, he died. Yes, after his death, the Gopan is sitting there, and he was thinking that, oh, our beloved priest is no more. He died, isn't it? He died. We need another new priest urgently, not later. Immediately I have to select the person to be there in the temple, isn't it? So see, he decided to call all the hopeful men to attend the interview of the temple, at that temple. So he is giving the invitation. That means what? The call to the all the hopeful men who are all to like to be work as a priest. They can come and attend the interview. So he is giving a call to all people. So obviously he did everything. So after that he have to select in that particular selected persons, isn't it? So he have to give a call. So without any delay, he have to give the call. So the Gopan gave the official information to all the hopeful men, and the day of the interview arrived. That means what? The day has come. So Gopan was standing at the topmost of the hill. Okay, he was standing there and watching who are all coming from the down plains to the hills to attend the interview. So Gopan was standing at the topmost point of the hill where the temple was located. He was standing near that temple, and he was looking down who are all coming from there. Okay, so the Gopan was seeing that large number of young men are climbing up to the hill to reach the temple. That means what? There are so many young people are coming. There are not proper ways there. Okay, so we cannot reach the temple very easily. There will be many ups and downs. Everything is there, but even then, so many young men are climbing over to reach the temple. So after seeing that, Gopan is thinking that how can I choose whom is correct, which person is correct, but I can test their knowledge, isn't it? If we are going for an interview, they will ask some questions to test their knowledge, isn't it, children? Yes, by answering the correct answer only, they will judge us, isn't it, whether we are the correct person to appoint the correct place, isn't it? So the same thing, he is also thinking that I can test their knowledge of the holy books. I can ask the questions from the holy books, but there is some expectation from the priest, which that old man, isn't it? The previous man was asking that I have to select the correct person not only based on their knowledge. He have to the person is very humanity person, isn't it? The particular thing he mentioned, isn't it? The old priest was mentioned the particular thing that he have to select the person not only based on their knowledge and not only based on their skill, everything. More than that, he needs the humanity. That means what? He should be very humble, polite, and honest person. So he is thinking that how can I select such kind of person? We can test their knowledge, but we do not know the character, how they are, isn't it, children? By asking questions, we cannot find how they are, isn't it? They can answer well. The knowledge person, they can answer well, but we don't know the characters, how they will behave in the future, isn't it? So he was thinking like anything, how I can select the person. So now all the people from the village, they all reached the temple. So you have to give the hospitality, isn't it? So by the time all the young men reached the temple, they were very much tired, isn't it? They were climbing over the hill, isn't it? It is also not very easy to reach. So Gopan gave them food and water. He is treating them very well. So they were very much tired to reach, so that Gopan started to give them food and water. Gopan already decided that he is going to test their knowledge, isn't it? So they were asked to recite the verses. So Gopan asking them to recite the verses from the sacred text. Okay, so each and everybody who were sitting there, the young men, was better than one another. That means what, children? Each and everybody are very good in their knowledge. Okay, so whatever the questions asked by Gopan, everybody are answering very good. Okay, everybody are answering correctly, and the proper answers was given by the young man. So he cannot judge the correct person. So they are all perfect, everybody are perfect. He have to select any one person, isn't it? Among them he have to select any one of them. So he cannot make the correct decision, because while testing their knowledge, everybody are perfect, they are answering very well. Okay, they are answering very well, so he cannot judge. But there is a correct, he have to make correct decision. So he is in that position, isn't it, children? So he got the promise from the priest, the old priest. So he have to select the correct person. So he is thinking, what should I do? All are good, all are perfect, all are knowledgeable, all are wise men, and what should I do? He doesn't know what to do, and he was thinking by seeing all the people who are attending the interview. So he is trying to select the person. Okay, in that meantime, there coming one tired young man. Okay, so see this picture, children, the blue color, isn't it? So he was coming there, and he was badly hurt. Very easily we can find the person, that particular person. He was very badly hurt. His clothes were torn in several places, and the bleeding was there, and so many wound was there, and he was very much tired also. So the Gopan is asking that, what happened to you? Have you come for the interview? And he is asking the questions. Have you come for the interview? What happened to you? You are looking very tired, and you are very much hurt. You are bleeding, and your clothes are torn. Yes, everything is there. So look at your feet. They are hurt badly. You are hurt, isn't it? So look at your feet. It is bleeding. So the person is there, and he is saying that, yes, I have come here for this interview. Please don't worry about me, because I'm all right. I'm not that much hurt. I'm all right. Please don't worry about me. I have come here for this interview because it was my dearest wish. That means what, I'm very much interested to work as a temple priest here. So but I know I'm very late for the interview, because already there were so many people, isn't it? They have come for the interview for on time. They have come, isn't it, children? Before that itself, Gopan, they gave them food and water, and they were completed their test also, isn't it? They were very good in their knowledge also, isn't it, children? Yes. So but this particular man is very late, isn't it? And also he is not good also. He is feeling very tired, and he is very much hurt, but he don't want to mention that person don't want to mention that, and he is asking to Gopan, you don't want to worry about me. So I'm very much interested to work as a temple priest. Please allow me to attend the interview. So again Gopan is asking, what happened to you? Were you attacked on your way? Gopan is asking that while coming on the way, have you attacked by somebody? He is asking so many questions, because before there the so many people came from there in that same place only, isn't it? The same way only. The other priests who have come for an interview, they are all came by the same way, but they are all very safe. They didn't hurt anything, and they are very good also, and they didn't have any wound or bleeding anything. So they came very safely. But after all, you have come from there, and the same way only you are also coming. And what happened to you? Who hurt you? So what happened to you? You have to tell to me. So he is asking all the questions to the wounded man. Who is asking? Yes, Gopan is asking question to the wounded man who is came late, isn't it? Yes, exactly. Now the wounded man is replying that, I have come that same way only. But what happened in the mountain path? There is full of mountain. That mountain means what, children? The way is not at all very clear, isn't it? There will be very mashy bushes is there, thorny bushes, and sharp stones will be there, and everything, it will hurt the people who are walking there, isn't it? So he is saying that the mountain path is full of bushes, thorny bushes, and sharp stones are there. We cannot walk, even we cannot keep our leg there properly. So he is saying that I decided, so that after seeing that path, I decided to clear the way. So everybody, so that everybody can come the way very clearly without any hurt, isn't it? Without hurting them, the other people can reach the temple easily. So that I have cleared all the way. That means what? I have removed the things which is disturbing the path. So now people can come to the temple without getting any hurt on the way. So that is why for cleaning it took so much of time to me, so that I came very late. Okay, so this is the answer given by the that wounded person to Gopan. Okay children, do you understood what I'm saying? After hearing the answer from the wounded person, Gopan was filled with wonder. Why? Because he is wonder, children? He is different from the other person, isn't it? So the person who came for an interview, they are all very good in their knowledge, but they didn't even clean the place where they are walking, isn't it? They did not bother about anybody. They did not want other to be come in the good path, isn't it? But only this person bother about other person. The other should come in the good way. Even though I will get hurt, I won't allow anybody to come in the wrong way. So that he was filled with wonder. The wise man, he told, isn't it? The wise man, there was a condition that person should be humanity person only you should select, isn't it? So the wise man's words come back to him. So the Gopan is thinking that the wise man's word, what he told, wise man's word, he is thinking of that word. So make sure that person should be human person. Okay, so the priest has chosen the person. Okay, who is that person? Yes, the wounded person. So the holy man, that old priest who was died, isn't it? He is very clear in that, isn't it? Yes, so the priest has chosen the correct person for this temple. So he was very much wondered, and he felt very good also. Very good also means, that means what? Nobody cleared the way, only this person cleared the way. Gopan is expressing his thought. My son, on seeing you, I know what the wise priest was talking about. You are the chosen one. You are the correct person to be the priest for this temple. You are the new priest of the temple. So he is expressing this what the correct decision what he have made, isn't it? So he is going to that person, and he is saying, that wounded person, and he is saying that you are the right person to be the priest for this temple. Okay, I know what this wounded person was very much surprised, because he came very late and he didn't even attend the interview also. Before that, there are so many persons have attended the interview, and they were also very good in skill, isn't it? They are also wise people, they are also very good. So but after more than this, after crossing all those good things, how can I have selected? He was very much excited and also very much surprised. How can I selected? So he gave me the good job to me. He selected me. How it happened, I don't know why. And he also very much happy. See this, see his expression, children. He is also very much happy and also very much excited to see this picture. The people who are all came earlier, and also they have attended the interview, and they are also very good in their skill, and they were passed in all the tests, isn't it? So they are all saying that, what do you mean? Why do you choose the young man who was late for the interview? Obviously, isn't it? Everybody will raise the same question, isn't it? Because the wounded man came very late, and also he didn't attend the interview, and also he did not come for the right time, isn't it? But among all the priests who are there, That means the persons who are there, the wounded man is least, isn't it? He did not followed anything properly, isn't it? So the person who are standing there, they are raising question to Gopan. How can you select the particular person as a priest? How can you do that? Why among us you have to select one person? How can you select the wrong person as a priest to the temple? Everybody are asking the questions. Okay, for all the question Gopan is asking, today you have come from the same way, but the way is not good, the path is not good, it is full of bushes, isn't it? The strong stones are there, nobody can walk properly there, everybody will get hurt, isn't it? But today you all have climbed the same dangerous path to get here on time. You thought only you have to be there on time. You didn't focus on what there on the path, isn't it? But only one of you, have you ever, only one person can you think of this but the wrong path? That means not wrong path, it is very difficult to climb the hills, isn't it? So nobody thought of that, only this person, he took up all the risk, he took up this task and of clearing the path. He only the humanity person to clear all the bad things, isn't it? He was thinking the other person, how the other person can climb the hills to reach the temple. So he did this to make it easier for those who are coming to wish to come to pray at the temple. So for that only alone, for that reason alone, I have selected this person as a priest. So nobody did this, only this person did that. And also he knows he going to get hurt while removing the bushes and also the strong stones, everything there, he knows he going to get hurt. But even then, he, without thinking of anything, without thinking of him, he thought of others, the people who are climbing here, they have to come safely to the temple. So he cleared all the things and all the bad things, and he got hurt in his body, and he did not bother about the interview. Okay, even then he is very much interested to work as a priest in this temple. He did not bother about the timing and interview, everything. He bothered only about the people who are walking through this way. So the only reason this I have selected this person as a priest here in this temple, he is explained. So everybody who is there, who have come for an interview, isn't it? Yes, everybody is saying that Gopan is right. Yes, that's true. We all agree. We didn't clean anything. We focused only the timing, and we have to select. We are very much selfish, isn't it? We didn't bother about anybody. As a priest, we are going to work as a priest, but even then we did not think about this kind of things. We have to reach the temple on time. We have to select we have to select the person. Everything we are thinking only thinking of us, not we are thinking of others. So we agree he is the only person, he deserved to be the one to work as a priest. Everybody accepted after the reason what they heard by Gopan. Okay, children, after this suggestion, and also everybody agrees the suggestion which is made by the Gopan, isn't it? So the caretaker. So everybody are happy to select the person, the wounded person, as a priest. So after that there was happiness, and the Gopan felt very happy, and he is saying that he is thanking the wise one. That means what? The old priest who was died, isn't it? So he is thanking him. He was saying that I would never have known better. If you not saying anything, I have tested their knowledge. Only through the knowledge, only by judging the knowledge, only by testing the knowledge, I would have selected the person. But you have taught me how to select the person, isn't it? Only the wise not only the wise, the person should be human, isn't it? Only the words by the died the old man, isn't it? He is saying that all these fine young men would have made perfect priest, because they are knowledge enough to take over the temple, but only one person is there. He is only the truly good human person, because he cleared all the wrong path. So he is the right person, he is truly good human person, could have been your worthy successor. So the title is, what is the title, children? Yes, the worthy successor. So the worthy successor, it means what? The wise men, that means what? The old priest was saying to select a person that only, not only testing their knowledge, he should be very humanity person, isn't it, honest person. And also by testing their knowledge we can find so many persons, but we cannot know the character how they are, isn't it? So the Gopan listened to the wise men, that means the priest. Gopan listened to the wise men. Gopan thought that the old priest made me to select the correct person, because he only advised, isn't it? So more than knowledge, he have to select a human person. So more than everything, he selected the correct person. So he is thinking that only because of the wise men I have selected the correct person. So he is the worthy successor. Okay, children. Okay, what you have learned in this lesson, from this lesson, the moral value, isn't it? So whatever it is, we have to bother others also who are living with you. The wounded person was thinking about others, isn't it? But only thinking of others, he have got the correct reward from the God. That means what? He got the priest job, isn't it? It is very honorable job to do, isn't it? So whatever it is, we have to bother about others also, not only you. You don't want to be selfish, because selfish thought never give any good thing to you. So you have to think others problem also. You never you should not escape from your from others problem also. If you can help them, you can help, isn't it? So without helping them, you should not escape, because if you are in any problem, anybody will not come and help you. The same thing happened to you also, isn't it? So if you have time, and if you have everything worth to help, you have to help the others, isn't it? So the wounded man, he got hurt, even though he knows he going to get hurt, but even then he helped the others. He made the path clear to others to come in that same way, isn't it? So that only the other person who are attended the interview, they came without any hurt and any wound, and only they have come there and they have attended the interview. They are also tested by Gopan, isn't it? So Gopan was cleared, but God has given him a good reward, isn't it? The same thing, children, you also be good enough to do good. Think something good and do something good. Okay, children? So God will reward you, not human beings, isn't it? So I hope you all understood this lesson, and also you learned the very good moral value from this lesson. I hope, isn't it? I hope everybody liked this lesson. So we will meet in the next video class, next lesson video class. Thank you, children. Take care and read the lesson, every line, each and every line, so that you can understand. Okay, thank you.